Hey everybody, it's the handbag caller back with another video. Before I get into the video, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. So today I am coming with a Dollar General haul. This is the bag of the day. It's the Dooney Camden in the Florentine leather in red. I have done a video on that one. Please go back in my videos if you are interested in looking at it. So today I did a Dollar General haul. This haul was a total of $10.75, and that's including tax. Without tax, it was $9.20. So I did have a paper coupon for the Suave. Each of these was $3. I had a $1 off coupon and a store discount of $1.20 for these. The Snuggle dryer sheets was $2. I had a $1 paper coupon. The Gain fireworks, those were $3.95, and I had a digital coupon for $2 off. The Jergens was a $3.75. I had a coupon for $2 off, and the Dove soap was $3.50, and I had a coupon. A paper coupon for $2 off. So all of this stuff came to $9.20 without tax, and with tax it came to $10.75. So here is the breakdown on my receipt so you all can see it. And you see where each of the discounts were taken off. Some Dollar Generals may have different prices, just so you know. They may not always be the same. And these coupons, I used them from the P&G from last week, Sunday. This Sunday, the new one will be at my front door. I am sure I will have something from that, but I did this today, and if you are interested in doing it, again, here is the receipt. You can, let me move my nail out the way. You can take a quick snapshot of it with your phone if you'd like, just so you can see. I'm not sure. I forgot to take a picture of the coupons, so I'm not sure when they expire, but the new ones will be coming out, and I'm sure I'll give you video from the next haul that I did, that I'll be doing with the new paper coupons that come out. So if you are interested in doing this deal or something similar, make sure you download the Dollar General app. Make sure that you have your Rakuten app. Make sure that you also have any other apps that you can get points from, where you can use them for purchases, or you can get cash back by scanning your receipts. So just make sure you do that. I'm going to come tomorrow. I have another haul that I did earlier today, but it was not right. So before I take it back to the store, I'll post that. I'll do it and post it sometime tomorrow. So thanks guys for watching, and hope to see you on my next video. Please remember, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. That would be great. And hit the bell button for my notifications. Take care, everybody.